Trouble is brewing near Utawala between two estate courts located along Rough Standard Street off tarmacked Kingsa Airways Road in Mavoko Sub-County, Machakos County, of an access road. The road that pits Standard and Arusha Court nearly saw a bitter confrontation between the two court residents. This is after residents of Arusha Court broke padlocks of a temporary iron sheet made gate to prevent opening of an access road. Police officers from the nearby Muungano police station were called in to restore peace and order.
Jurisdiction of Kura, Kenya rule Kura, to authorize what we call public and access road. And it is within the power and within the act of the parliament and constitution that Kura is the only authority mandated to acquire and provide for access and a public road. We are in contention with our neighbors Arusa, who happens to have two-way exit to the public road. As equally, we have an exit to the public road. So, what is happening is, there is a plot, a conspiracy between the Arusa who fear to use the longer route.
Hii barabara si private. Hii barabara is not a private road. Hii ni public road. But watu wana mistake, wana confuse. Hii barabara ikikuwa hapa, sasa ni private because iko ndani ya Arusha Court. That is a misconception. Barabara ile hauna cheti, you don't have a title for it, si yako. The only thing mnaweza elewana ni mna control na mna gani. Otherwise, this is not a private road. Pale iko hapa, hata mtu anaweza kuja kulima hapa because we don't have a title for it.
Let's cross borders now to the neighboring Uganda, and the Supreme Court of Uganda has put to